Hepatitis C was an incurable disease back then, and so both doctors and drug users believed that this is the end, beautiful friend, as Jim Morrison said.
Over 300 million people are affected by viral hepatitis B and C, and over 1 million people die each year of this disease. And that's more than HIV, than malaria, than TB. And yet, these diseases have been neglected for so long.
A specialist told me that as long as my lifestyle was healthy, I would be okay and die of something else. But then he told me about transmission and how I could pass it on to someone else. And I felt dirty and infectious.
That's when we formed the World Hepatitis Alliance.
WHO has over 250 committed viral hepatitis patient groups across 86 countries, working on the ground with the communities, healthcare providers, governments, and other key stakeholders.
The World Hepatitis Alliance started as an awareness-raising organisation and then blossomed into something much bigger that deals with policy at a global level, that deals with policy at a national level through our membership, which has continued to grow, and through capacity building and support at a grassroots level.
In the last 10 years, as a result of our advocacy work, but also that of our members, we managed to push 3 resolutions via WHO, making World Hepatitis Day an official day, but most importantly, 194 governments committed to eliminating viral hepatitis by 2030.
Out of the 325 million people living with hepatitis, 300 million are not aware. So that would be a lot of people without a voice if WHO hadn't got in and advocate on their behalf on the global stage. So that's what we do basically. We ensure that no one is left behind.
Using my personal experience and also becoming a voice for the patients in my country so that they can have access to adequate information to bridge the gap of stigma.
For decades I lived with Hep C. I lived with the fear and the worry and the dread of discrimination. Now I just live. I'm so happy to be cured of Hep C. Now I just live.
The elimination of viral hepatitis means, first of all, empowering the patients.
Together, we can eliminate viral hepatitis.
Together, we can eliminate viral hepatitis.
Together, we will eliminate viral hepatitis by 2030.